How, Swamiji, how do we live with nature without over exploitation so that climate change does not take place? All creatures on this planet have a right to survive and we don't destroy them. How do we make this happen along with material prosperity?
Is our body what type of food? Our body is designed for what type of food? Eat that food. Our body is designed for what type of clothes? Use that clothes. If we go for organic, when I say organic, I mean the natural flow of existence. The fur is needed for that animal.
Not for us.
Surely not for us.
Not
if
for
it
us.
is, if we need, God would have provided that.
Yes. Yes.
He would have provided that for us.
Yes.
Animal protein is for that animal, not
for
for
us.
us. If we needed it, He would have provided for us.
Yes.
What for we are created? If we go to the core and go with the flow of our core, the life will be best. Going with the flow of our organism is what I call organic. Whether in a food, or lifestyle, or furnitures, or the clothes we use, or the gadgets we use, or the items we use, in everything. Going with our organism. Our body is not mechanism. It is allopathy which declares this as a mechanism. Ayurveda declares this as organism. Going with the flow of this organism is what I call Vedic lifestyle, Charya. This lifestyle is the solution. And also I want to tell, at least at present situation, it is an impractical solution. I know.
It's impractical.
Impractical, I know. But
Move towards that. Move towards that.
move towards that, that is also a long-term solution.
Okay.
But we can do one thing. Even small responsible individuals start creating a model. The models can become anytime models and tip the point.
Can come to the tipping point.
Actually, we always think, how can the models change the society? But till now, if you see, all big changes happen from the models.
From the models. So what is your...
It is a model. As long as only few people think it's a model. If few more people start understanding it, it is a discovery. If few lakhs of people start understanding it, it's a lifestyle.
Swamiji, what is your message to world leaders on sustainability and this violence? I mean, what would you tell them to do as the two important things?
If somebody listens, I'll tell them these two. At least you change your life to this organic way and be bold to tell the world you are living this way. Always, all leaders lead more people by the subtle power than the hard power.
By the soft power, subtle power.
By the soft power than the hard power. I have seen hard power decisions are always overturned when that leader goes away. But the soft power influence he created never goes away, even after the leader goes away.
It
So
sustains itself.
I will naturally ask any leader who listens to me, make this as your soft power influence. It is a soft power influence leads larger impact.
So lead the life
For
you want.
example,
Yeah.
if something is made as a hard power rule, like a political rule, law by Obama, Trump will overturn it. If something has been lived by somebody as a soft power and created an ambience, ecology, influence, a spiritual or the atmosphere or the conceptual infrastructure, if that is the way it was presented, nobody can influence and change it, overturn it. If we are looking for a permanent solution, it has to be soft power.
It has to be soft power only.
It has to be soft power.